So guys, I just want to show you guys what the kitchen looks like before I start cleaning it up. And it is junky right now. We've been very busy lately. Didn't have any time to clean up anything. I got a pile of dishes over here. My daughter, she baked a cake and cut it into a heart and put a strawberry on top of it. But got a lot of trash over here at the door. A lot of stuff I declutter as well. It's over there that's going in the trash. But as you can tell, we got a lot of stuff here just sitting around. So yeah, and here's another donation bag, stuff I gotta donate, and I got a ton of laundry over here to do. So yeah, so I'm gonna be pretty busy today. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. So I'm about to go ahead and get started with the dishes. As you can see, I have a pile of them here, so I'm just gonna go ahead and start separating all of them and get the sink and stuff cleaned out, and get some dishwater set, and I'm gonna let the dishes soak while I do some other things in the kitchen. That's the way I like to do mine. And I use this 409 spray here. It has the lemon smell, and I'm gonna spray the sink down with that, and wipe everything up. So now while the dishes are setting, I'm going to go ahead and collect all the trash. Don't have a whole lot of trash laying around, but I do have a couple of things that I do need to put up in the refrigerator. And I'm just going to go ahead and collect all the trash. And that's it. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this pot over here. I had some leftover cabbages in here, not a whole lot of them. And I'm just gonna take this shopping bag here and just dump them over in this bag and start cleaning this pot out. So I'm just gonna take one of these napkins here. I use these napkins from the restaurant. That's why I keep them for, for things like this. So I'm just gonna rake everything else out and put it in the bag and put it in the trash. So these little white covers you guys see me putting back on the eyes here, I don't really like those, but I use them because they save me some time from cleaning up. Like if I'm cooking anything that has oil in it, sometimes the oil pops and it gets in the drip pans of the other part of the oven. So to keep me from doing all that cleaning and taking those out, I use these, and all I have to do is just wipe them off on the top and move on. So it saves me some time from having to clean so much. So I'm just going to go ahead and wipe the countertops down. I did use the Lysol spray over here. So guys, after I'm done with, using these products up here, I'll probably, start using more of natural cleaning products. I used to use natural cleaning products in the past, but for some reason I stopped using them. Or I may just, make my own cleaning products. But yeah, I don't think I will be using these anymore. So once I run out, I think that's probably going to be it for me. And I'm just going to stick with something natural.
up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh. You're chilling when the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh,
So now I done took all the trash out, and I'm just gonna get all the crumbs up that it left behind. I'm just gonna, fresh everything up back here, and I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum a little bit and get the rest of the crumbs up on, on this side over here, and shake the rugs and stuff off, and that will be it, guys. So now I'm going to go ahead and put a shade up so my plant can get some sunlight. I'm just going to place it here on top of the deep freezer. And I'm going to go ahead and turn this candle on over here so we can get a nice aroma throughout the house. And guys, this is the final result. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up if you like this type of content, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.